moving on to the next question. Question number 14 is integral of 1 by x into log x the whole power m times dx, right? So the idea here is very simple. Wherever you have log x, you will definitely have 1 by x, because in those type of questions, mostly we'll take log x as t. Okay, so similarly in this question, log x is taken as t. So differentiating on both sides, what do we get? 1 by x into dx divided by dt is equal to 1. So which implies dx by x is equal to dt will go to the other side. So it is dt. Now the idea is dx by x is replaced with dt. So the question will get converted as integral of dt the whole divided by log x is t raised to the power of m, right? So what is the integral of 1 by t power m? So integral of 1 by t power m dt is going to be t power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1. Reason, this is written as t power minus m times dt, right? Using the same logic here, we'll get the final answer as t power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c, or this can also be written as t power 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus c. Both are correct, okay? So resubstituting the value of t bar, we will get log x to the power of 1 minus m the whole divided by 1 minus m plus c. So this would be the final answer.